Hello friends and welcome to Logic, and in this video I'll be telling you that what actually a page is, or what is difference between post and page. So friends, actually posts are something that you create in form of text, images, or something that you want to share to your public. But friends, a page is something like about any, it can be about any product, it can be about anything which is particular, friends, and that much on that page, that particular thing only should be talked, or should be shared. So that's what's difference between posts and pages. Friends, post is different than page in many ways, but actually you will understand it afterwards, friends, when you start using post and pages. So friends, the pages are available here, all pages. And to add a new page, friends, you can get there and add new, and say I'm going to name it as test, and this is a test page. So fine, and now you can see, friends, the changes in the permanent link. Friends, the link for what our test page is whatslogic.anox.com/test, but for friends, actually for our post it was something different. Let's go ahead and edit it, and you can see here it was something different. It was marked with date 2018 03/29 and welcome to What's Logic. So that's the difference between a page and actually a post. That post are, friends, actually something that you are writing and sharing to a subscriber, but actually page is something different, that a page contains something, some details or some facts or some functions which is particular. So now let's go to this page, and I'll see that it says that test, and this is a test page. So fine. And now, friends, the next thing which I'm going to tell you is about something that is dashboard. So friends, on your dashboard it appears with some different categories, or actually what these box like structures are called. So friends, every box like structure available here has a different information that informs you. So at first it says welcome to WordPress, customize your site. So you can customize the beautiness of your site from here. And actually it says next steps, so you can write a first blog post about your page and all those. And at a guidelines, one post, it says you that one post is available on website and two pages are available. And recently published activity says recently published this um, blog post. And it says quick draft, you can save your draft here simply. And WordPress events, it says that the events which are going to be modified in WordPress level. Friends, actually these are the upcoming events in WordPress for WordPress developers. So that's what a dashboard is. It tells you quick information about your website and WordPress. So that's what dashboard is. And from updates panel in dashboard, friends, you can update anything which is about website. So actually it says that you have a plugin that needs update. So afterwards I will tell you that what actually plugins are. But friends, in this video, as I told you, on dashboard, posts and pages, so that's fine. So let's continue to the next video.